Hi viewers, you can always reach us at tamilstocktips.com or you can ping us in Hangouts, Google Hangouts. In our previous session, we have seen how to different types of XPath, how to write XPath in a Chrome browser. So in today's session, we'll see how to grab text from the web application. So in Yahoo Finance, we'll try to pick the share price value. So the manual step is go to yahoo.com. Excuse me. Here type Axis Bank. Sorry, it is taking back to the Yahoo search. Once you type Axis, this is what you will get. Click on this link. So what we can do is we can directly navigate to this website. So let me change the code. Instead of navigate to yahoo.com, I'll directly navigate to the search with Yahoo, and then this will maximize. Okay, once it maximized, okay, now we need to get the price of 615. Let's identify this using our developer tools. Click on the price. Okay, this comes under span tag, and we can see the class attribute. Let's see how many occurrences. So this class occurrence is only one. Okay, once we maximize driver dot find element by, this time we can try to use the class name. Once we find the element, there is a method called get text. So this will get the text from the particular element, web element. So I'm going to store it in string share price. So whatever value we are fetching, that will be stored in the share price variable. I'm gonna print it using sysout system.out.println. Mostly this plus symbol used for string concatenation. So if you want to concatenate more than 2-3 strings, we can use this plus, and share price is the variable. Okay, let me comment the remaining code. Okay, let me try to execute this code and see what happens. Now you can see it has directly navigated to the Axis Bank share price. This will save the time instead of navigating to yahoo.com and then clicking finance and then coming here. In this way we can reduce the timing. So now you can see it is not able to identify the web element. That's the reason it is throwing error. It happens in Chrome, it happens in Selenium, that even though in Chrome browser it is showing only one occurrence of the class name, sometimes this happens. Let's use XPath instead. Nothing. I've just converted the previous string into XPath. So here the slash slash is nothing but a relative path. Before doing that, let me confirm whether this is an you can right click on inspect. This is also one of the way to open the developer tool. So this comes under span tag, so I should change it to span. Okay, let's close this and re-execute. Still it is loading. See, now it has printed the share price from the application. In the same way, you can retrieve the values, what are the required values from the application, what are the things we need, all those things we can fetch from the web application. In our next session, we'll see on different topic. Thanks for watching.